Hey, yo, I guess we on that disrespectful time again. Listen, we got Spinabenz, Whop with the Chop, and Jdot. Add a K. Listen, if you're new here, do me a favor, step to the channel. That's all I need you to do. So let's get into it right away, man. What we talking about today?
Hey, this that jump by shit. No, I ain't no P4K. This not food ass cake. This not ticket ass cake. This not Fifi ass cake. They gon' beat the letters spray.
Oh my goodness. Already, come on, bro. Whop, come on, nigga. Calm down. Dog said. This that Fifi had a cake. They call Petey let it spray.
They gon' cheat the letters spray. Terror's going up like 8. We ain't worried about.
They call Petey let it spray. Terror's going up like 8. Bro. Oh my god, okay. This might be one of the ones I gotta do that everyone diss shit to, cause bro, there's so many names in this already.
We ain't worried about the opposition. Start the car, let mine, so I can drop on it. That nigga stop, drop, then roll when them bullets hit him. We get no fuck about your age, fuck that nigga, baby. Fuck with.
Oh my goodness, bro. That nigga said stop the car out. That nigga said stop the car. Let me out, let me get him. That nigga stop, drop, then roll when them bullets hit him. Oh my goodness, hold on, man. Hold on.
That nigga stop, drop, then roll when them bullets hit him. We get no fuck about your age, fuck that nigga, baby. Fuck who ain't fucking with me 5 years later.
We get no fuck about your apes. Fuck that nigga, baby. Fuck who ain't fucking with it. Bro.
Nigga still getting popped. We gon' fucking kill your ass. You make a song with a all. Boy, I know you really mad. You fell in love with that side, my hoe.
Oh my goodness. Oh, nigga still getting popped. We don't fucking kill your ass. You make a song with that op.
Boy, I know you really mad. You fell in love with that side. My whole gang gave a dick, but you gave that whole lot. Hey, bitch, bend it over, make your knees touch your elbows. We ain't all black, bitch. We be flying to some scarecrows. I ain't smelling dog, finna shoot him in the jam. No, y'all done fucked up, man. I'm cockers free, my nigga roll. Sugar on my mind, no time thinking I'm straight bad life. Put up on they block and let they kinfolk have it. Leave, pull up with that y'all can spit that semi-automatic. Know I'm coming right behind you, making sure they see a cash. It be me and my little.
I'm gonna put up on their block and let them have it. You know I'm coming right behind you to make sure they see a casket. Oh my goodness. If you miss out my rebound. And I said that you wanna shoot it, be miss out my rebound game. I remember the little phone. Once you miss out my rebound.
You pull up with that y'all can spit that semi-automatic. Know I'm coming right behind you, making sure they see a cash. It be me and my little murder team, trying to make a murder scene. Everything premeditated, if we go in first degree, they know.
Oh, that's what he said. Me and my little murder team, trying to make a murder scene. Everything premeditated if we go as first degree. Oh my goodness. Am I tripping or should niggas be saying it's premeditated? Should they? I don't know. Should niggas be saying that?
Wait, you ain't heard of me. Catch an opera, flip the clip, nigga, post up on Evergreen. Pull up in the photo, watch me jump out with the stick. They need to free my nigga Dre so we can slide through the six. I ain't got to speak on 50 dude, know that he a bitch. Run ass from Shannon Red, try to fuck he claim it's six. Y'all go click up with some niggas that ain't never killed shit. Draco split and blow his chest, I know for sure his man's hit. Smoking need you a little juju at cause I ain't span shit. Smoking dang and 8, damn, might shoulda got hit. Me and Whop, one chop, one Glock, goddamn, and LB.
Whop, one chop, one Glock, goddamn.
Me and Whop, one chop, one Glock, goddamn, NLMB, bitch, I'm begging for my man. AP, kid, cat, shit, splat, all man. Tiki pack, mixed with 35 and Bibby, they're a clan. 3-5 died for Folio, but
Tiki mixed with 35. Tiki mixed with 35 and Bibby, they a clan? Bro, did he say that?
AP, kid, cat, shit, splat, all man. Tiki pack, mixed with 35 and Bibby, they're a clan.
That's what he said. Tiki packs me with 35 and Bibby, they a clan. Oh my goodness.
3-5 died for Folio, but he don't really care. I'm thinking you act, you love him, but you say it right there. Y'all won't swing with.
Bro, I want 3-5 die for Folio, but he don't really care. I want 3-5 die for Folio.
3-5 died for Folio, but he don't really care. I'm thinking you act, you love him, but you say it right there. Y'all won't.
Fifi, you like you love him, but you're sitting right there.
swing with Evergreen, but y'all are gon' spin on the ass. Stop the car, shoot the driver, it's a fucking bloodbath. Niggas faking like they own it, but they knowing where we at. Nigga, I'm on every drill.
I'm gonna stop the car, drop the top, it's a fucking bloodbath. He said, we would spin on your block, but y'all can go and get on that app. I think that's what he said. Whoa. Bro, when the internet gets, when the pressure come to them for real, they don't want that pressure. That's tough.
Living when I rap, we gon' catch that nigga Charles and put 6 in his chest. If you really think
I don't really looking what I rap. We gonna kiss that nigga Charles and put 6 in his chest. So niggas say that nigga's government name. Niggas saying your government name. They not playing with you, bro.
if you really think it's smart, you'll go and get a vest. 2, 3, 4 ass and get fit ass nigga. Come on.
If you really think you smart, you'll go and get a vest.
Praying for him, that nigga supposed to be dead. Old bitch, don't die for all you can be dead. Fuck all the ops alive and fuck the niggas who dead. These bitch niggas don't slide. All they do
Nigga said, fuck the ops that's alive and fuck all the niggas who dead. It's equal fuck yous for both parties. This is different, bro.
If they come outside, then their ass gon' die. You heard me? Should they? All the ops alive and fuck the niggas who dead. These bitch niggas don't slide. All they do is hide. If they come outside, then their ass gon' die. You heard?
These bitch niggas don't slide. All they do is hide. Cause if they come outside, these bitch niggas gonna die.
Should Nation, big gang, right away. All these fuck niggas gon' die today. If a nigga try, then a nigga gon' die. You heard? Fuck niggas hide.
All these fuck niggas gonna die today. If a nigga try, nigga gonna.